Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. I am so happy you are here today. My name is Miss Penelope, and this is your English grammar lesson. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn about proper nouns in capital letters. These are two things that go together, like good friends. When you understand proper nouns, you will know when to use a big letter, a capital letter, at the start of a word. This is a lesson for complete beginners, so do not worry. I will go slowly. I will use simple words, and I will give you lots of examples. By the end of this lesson, you will feel confident. I promise. So are you ready? Let us begin. Take a deep breath. Relax. You can do this. First, let me tell you what you will learn today. Number 1, you will learn what a noun is. Number 2, you will learn the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. Number 3, you will learn when we use capital letters. And number 4, you will practice with many examples. That sounds great, right? Let us go. Before we talk about proper nouns, we need to understand what a noun is. A noun is a word for a person, a place, or a thing. That is it. It is that simple. For example, the word girl is a noun. It is a person. The word city is a noun. It is a place. The word book is a noun. It is a thing. Person, place, or thing. That is a noun. Now, there are two kinds of nouns. The first kind is called a common noun. The second kind is called a proper noun. Today, we are going to look at both of these, but we will spend most of our time on proper nouns because that is our main topic for today. A common noun is a general word. It talks about any person, any place, or anything, not one special or specific one. For example, the word woman is a common noun. We are not talking about one special woman. We are talking about any woman. The word country is a common noun. We are not talking about one special country. We are talking about any country. The word dog is a common noun. We are not talking about your dog or my dog. We are talking about any dog at all. Common nouns do not start with a capital letter, unless they are the very first word in a sentence. We will talk more about this in a moment. Just keep that in mind. Now here is the exciting part. A proper noun is the special name of a specific person, a specific place, or a specific thing. It is the real name, the official name. Let me explain with an example. The word city is a common noun. It is a general word. But the word London is a proper noun. London is the special name of one specific city. Do you see the difference? City, general. London, specific. Let us try another one. The word man is a common noun, but the word David is a proper noun. David is a specific person's name, one real person. And one more example. The word river is a common noun, but the word Amazon, the Amazon River, is a proper noun. The Amazon is the name of one specific real river. So, to summarize, common nouns are general words. Proper nouns are the specific real names of people, places, and things. Now here is a very important rule. Are you ready? Here it is. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Always. Every single time. It does not matter where the proper noun is in the sentence. It always starts with a big letter. A capital letter. Why? Because proper nouns are special names. We use a capital letter to show that this word is a name. It is important. It is specific. Let me give you some examples. The word country is a common noun, no capital letter. But the word France is a proper noun, capital F, France. The word language is a common noun, no capital letter. But the word English is a proper noun, capital E, English. This is a really useful rule, because once you know it, you will write much more correctly in English, and that is something to be very proud of. Now let us look at the different types of proper nouns. There are several kinds. I will go through them one by one with clear examples for each. The first type of proper noun is the names of people. When we write someone's name, we always use a capital letter. For example, Maria, James, Aisha, Muhammad, Sophie, Carlos. These are all names of people. They all start with a capital letter. The second type of proper noun is the names of places. This includes countries, cities, towns, rivers, mountains, and more. For example, Brazil is a country, capital B. Tokyo is a city, capital T. The Nile is a river, capital N. Mount Everest is a mountain, capital M and capital E. The third type of proper noun is the days of the week. In English, we always write the days of the week with a capital letter. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They all start with a big letter. This is different from some other languages, so be careful. The fourth type of proper noun is the months of the year. Just like the days of the week, the months always start with a capital letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Capital letters always. The fifth type of proper noun is the names of languages and nationalities. For example, English, Spanish, French, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese. These are all proper nouns. And words like British, Mexican, Korean. These are also proper nouns. Capital letters every time. The sixth type of proper noun is the names of companies, organizations, and brands. For example, Apple, Google, the United Nations, McDonald's. These are specific names, so they start with capital letters. The seventh type of proper noun is the names of books, films, songs, and other creative works. For example, Harry Potter, The Lion King, Hamlet. The important words in these titles start with capital letters. Great job! You have just learned the 7 main types of proper nouns. That is excellent. Now let us look at some full example sentences so you can see all of this in action. Now I am going to give you 10 clear example sentences. Listen carefully. I will point out the proper nouns in each one. Watch where the capital letters go. Example 1. My name is Sophia. Here, Sophia is a proper noun. It is the specific name of a person. It starts with a capital S. Example 2. I live in New York. Here, New York is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific city. Both words start with capital letters, capital N and capital Y. Example 3. She speaks French. Here, French is a proper noun. It is the name of a language. Capital F. Example 4. My birthday is in July. Here, July is a proper noun. It is the name of a month. Capital J. Example 5. We have class on Monday. Here, Monday is a proper noun. It is the name of a day of the week. Capital M. Example 6. He is from Canada. Here, Canada is a proper noun. It is the name of a country. Capital C. Example 7. They went to see the Eiffel Tower. Here, Eiffel Tower is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific famous place. Capital E and capital T. Example 8. I love reading Harry Potter. Here, Harry Potter is a proper noun. It is the name of a famous book and character. Both words start with capital letters. Example 9. She works for Google. Here, Google is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific company. Capital G. Example 10. The Amazon is a very long river. Here, Amazon is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific river. Capital A. Wonderful! Did you notice the pattern? Every single proper noun started with a capital letter, and every common noun, like city, language, month, river, did not start with a capital letter. Let us look at a few more examples to make sure this is really clear. I want you to feel very confident about this. Here is a sentence. My teacher is Mrs. Johnson. Now, teacher is a common noun. No capital letter, unless it is the first word in a sentence. But Johnson is a proper noun. It is a name. Capital J. Here is another sentence. We visited the Pacific Ocean last summer. Pacific Ocean is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific ocean, capital P and capital O. But ocean on its own, as a general word, no capital letter. One more. I drink coffee every morning, but today I tried Nescafe. Coffee is a common noun, no capital. But Nescafe is a brand name, a proper noun, capital N. You are doing so well. I am really impressed. Let us keep going. Let us do a fun comparison now. I will give you a common noun, and then I will give you a proper noun that matches it. This will help you see the difference very clearly. Common noun, girl. Proper noun, Emma. Girl is general. Emma is a specific name. Common noun, country. Proper noun, Japan. Country is general. Japan is one specific country. Common noun, month. Proper noun, August. Month is general. August is one specific month. Common noun, river. Proper noun, Thames. River is general. Thames is one specific river in London. Common noun, language. Proper noun, Arabic. Language is general. Arabic is one specific language. Common noun, company. Proper noun, Samsung. Company is general. Samsung is one specific company. Do you see how this works? Every time we go from the general word to the specific name, we move from a common noun to a proper noun, and the proper noun always gets a capital letter. You are really understanding this. I am very proud of you. Now it is time to practice. This is an important part of the lesson. Practicing helps your brain remember the rules. I am going to read some sentences to you. Some of the sentences have correct capital letters. Some of them have mistakes. I want you to think about whether the capital letters are used correctly. Take a moment with each sentence. Think about the nouns. Ask yourself, is this a proper noun or a common noun? Does it need a capital letter? Ready? Here we go. Sentence 1. My friend lives in Paris. Now let us check. My, this is the first word of the sentence, so it needs a capital M. Good. Friend. This is a common noun. No capital needed. Lives. A verb, not a noun. Paris. This is a proper noun. It is the name of a city. It needs a capital P. So the correct sentence is, my friend lives in Paris. Great job if you spotted that. Let us try another one. Sentence 2. She was born on a Wednesday in March. Let us check. She. First word already has a capital, good. Wednesday. This is a proper noun. It is a day of the week. It needs a capital W. March. This is also a proper noun. It is a month. It needs a capital M. So the correct sentence is, she was born on a Wednesday in March. Excellent. You are doing very well. Sentence 3. They speak Spanish and English at home. Let us check. Spanish. Proper noun, name of a language. Capital S needed. English. Proper noun, name of a language. Capital E needed. So the correct sentence is, they speak Spanish and English at home. Wonderful. One more. Sentence 4. My brother works for a big company called Apple. Let us check. Apple here is not the fruit. It is the name of a company. It is a proper noun. Capital A needed. The correct sentence is, my brother works for a big company called Apple. You are doing so well with these. I want you to feel proud of yourself right now. You are learning English grammar, and you are doing it beautifully. Before we finish, I want to share one more important thing with you. In English, when we use the word I, meaning myself, the person speaking, we always write it as a capital letter. This is a special rule. The word I, when we use it to talk about ourselves, is always a capital letter. Not a small I, always a big I. For example, I am happy, capital I love English, capital I. Yesterday I went to the park, capital I. Even when I is in the middle of a sentence, it is always a capital letter. This is not because I is a proper noun. It is actually a pronoun. But it still always uses a capital letter in English. It is a special rule just for this word. Okay, now let us move on to a short summary of everything we learned today. You have done such a fantastic job today. I am really impressed by you. Now let us go over the key points from our lesson, just to make sure everything is clear. Point 1. A noun is a word for a person, a place, or a thing. Point 2. There are two types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general words like girl, city, and river. Proper nouns are specific names, like Emma, Paris, and the Amazon. Point 3. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. This is the most important rule from today's lesson. Always. Every single time. Point 4. The types of proper nouns include the names of people, the names of places, the days of the week, the months of the year, the names of languages and nationalities, the names of companies and brands, and the titles of books, films, and songs. Point 5. The word I, when we use it to mean ourselves, is always a capital letter, even in the middle of a sentence. Let me say the big rule one more time, so it stays in your memory. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Beautiful. Say it with me if you like. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Perfect. Now, let us do one final quick check. I will say a word. You think, is it a common noun or a proper noun? Does it need a capital letter? The word is Tuesday. Is it a proper noun? Yes, it is a day of the week. It needs a capital T, Tuesday. The word is book. Is it a proper noun? No, it is a common noun, a general word. No capital letter. Just book with a small b. The word is Brazil. Is it a proper noun? Yes. It is the name of a country. Capital B, Brazil. The word is teacher. Is it a proper noun? No. It is a common noun, a general word for a type of person. No capital letter needed unless it starts a sentence. The word is October. Is it a proper noun? Yes. It is the name of a month. Capital O, October. Wonderful! You are getting it. You really are. Well, my friends, that is the end of today's lesson. We covered so much. You learned about nouns, common nouns, and proper nouns. You learned the rule about capital letters. You saw lots of examples, and you practiced too. That is a lot of learning in one lesson, and you did it so well. I want you to remember this. Learning a new language takes time and practice. You will not get everything perfect right away, and that is completely okay. Every little step forward is a win. Every lesson you watch, every example you read, it all helps. And today, you took a big step forward. Well done. Here is your homework for today. When you read something in English, a message, a sign, a book, anything, look for the proper nouns. Try to spot the capital letters. Ask yourself, why does this word start with a capital letter? Is it a name? Is it a day? Is it a place? The more you notice them, the more natural it will feel. And please, 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 if you enjoyed this lesson, give it a big thumbs up. That little like button means so much to us. It tells us that you are enjoying the lessons, and it helps other people find our channel so they can learn English too. So if this lesson helped you, hit that like button right now. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe today. When you subscribe, you will get notified every time we post a new lesson. We have lessons on grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and so much more. All for beginners, all at a slow and clear pace, just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. You are a wonderful student, and I am so happy you spent this time with me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now. Take care and keep up the amazing work. You are doing great.